Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am bringing you all some cleaning motivation because my house looks a mess, okay? Just for a lack of better words and being transparent. I have not cleaned up in about a week because I have had a lot going on. Honestly, mentally, I've been exhausted and drained, and as you can see, I look like Molly the maid because that is the mode I'm in, and I gotta get some stuff done. Now, my house is a mess according to my standards, okay? Because some of y'all be on here talking about you cleaning an already clean house. We all got our definitions of dirty, right? So this is my definition of dirty, and I need to get it in order. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Hopefully, if you need to clean up as well, this video offers you the motivation that you need to get the job done in your space, okay? That disclosure. Enjoy the video.
You're a perfect man, got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and couldn't see why. Hold my hand high, cause you see and now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he made me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars and it's true. It's true. I'm scared of the changing. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Rest is in my life for him. Yeah. Rest is in my life for him. Yeah.
Please allow me to introduce myself if you are new here. My name is Deshawn. I do videos on home decor, cleaning motivation, as well as spiritual inspiration. It is very nice to meet you, and I appreciate your presence here. Hopefully you are enjoying today's video. If that be the case, please do subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I do try to post at least once a week, if not once every 2 weeks. I am striving to be a little bit more consistent with that, so please bear with me. But you can go back and watch all of my old videos because there is plenty of content to catch up on. To my distinctive family, welcome back.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Today's cleaning motivation is pretty quick, guys. I did so much in this kitchen. I could not possibly record everything, and I was running out of storage space. But I used the SOS pad, Dawn dish liquid, and the Wiseman polish for this stovetop, which I did not record the other two products. I also cleaned the refrigerator inside out, as well as my cabinets inside out, which I also did not have an opportunity to record. So I do apologize for that, but hopefully this is, just a mini quick inspiration and motivation for you guys to get up and do what needs to be done if it is applicable. Now on to this mail, y'all. Do y'all have a bunch of mail like I do? It overwhelms me, okay? And I have grown children who do not live here who insist on having their mail come to my house, which drives me bananas. So I just basically get to it when I get to it.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
I usually use my wet jet to mop my kitchen floor. However, if I am unable to get to it like this week, I pull out the mop and bucket. It is nothing like some boiling hot water, a good product, and a good mop to get the job done. Now, this video is almost over, guys. So I am going to close out right now, unlike in normal videos. But I hope you all have a blessed and prosperous week.